Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these two CRM tools platform, which is Salesforce and Agile CRM. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Salesforce is perfect for large team needing advanced features like powerful analytics and a lot of integration. It's highly customizable and scalable, but can be expensive and has a steeper learning curve. So talking about Agile CRM, on the other hand, is a simpler and more affordable ideas for small to mid-sized team. It combines sales, marketing, and service tools in one platform, though it lacks some of Salesforce advanced features and polished. So talking about the pros and cons about these two platforms, starting with the Salesforce, talking about the advantages part, which is the pros. It's highly customizable, powerful analytics, and it is also scalable. And talking about the downside, the expensive part of it is one of the main problem, the expensive and the complex setup. I'm talking about the Agile CRM. It's affordable, all in one platform, and it is very easy to use. Then talking about the downside, the limited advanced features and the occasional UI issues. And in my opinion, I think Salesforce is best for growing teams needing robust tools, while Agile CRM is great for smaller teams that want simplicity and value. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.